Do you want to make millions from ads? If so, you should probably be using this super simple AI ad source that honestly I think is super overlooked, but gets amazing results when you set it up right. Now, if you've been in the ad space at all, you know Facebook ads usually gets a lot of the glory when it comes to results. People want to run cool social ads with videos and UGC, but Google Ads is one of the best places to actually run ads because it doesn't require all these complicated and really put together videos and images. It just requires a simple input of a couple of points and some AI, and you can get amazing results with ads. So as you can see in my ad account here for one of our clients at my ad agency JetAds, we spent $5K to generate $25K out of 5 ROAS in just the last 30 days. And we're doing this for a ton of other clients, virtually every other client in e-commerce, in SaaS, in lead gen, but in particular e-commerce and info, to generate results like this on virtual autopilot with the AI and the tools that it has. And so the reason why this campaign works so well is because it uses all of Google's network, including display, including YouTube, including search, everything, gives it to Google, gives it to its AI, and it optimizes it for you and gets amazing results. So how do you actually build this campaign out? Now, this campaign is actually a Performance Max campaign. Okay, so if you've never heard of Performance Max is a campaign type. So if I go here to create a campaign, if I choose the objective, let's just say I choose sales right here, let me go continue. It is a campaign type right here that says reach audiences across all of Google with a single campaign. And so if we go to see how it works, this is effectively what a Performance Max campaign is. It's a goal-based campaign that allows performance advertisers to access all of Google Ads inventory, right? Which is the search network, including Google Search, Maps, Shopping, and then the display network as well, which includes YouTube, bloggers, Gmail, and thousands of partner websites. So that's all from a single campaign. So it's designed to complement your keyword-based search campaigns to help you find more converting customers across all of Google's channels like YouTube, display, search, Gmail. Helps you drive performance based on your specific conversion goals. So if you have a ROAS goal, you track sales. You just tell Google, I want more sales. It's going to optimize around getting you the most conversion value on your budget. So it delivers more conversions by value by optimizing performance in real time across channels using smart bidding, the AI I'm talking about. And Performance Max uses Google's AI across bidding, budget optimization, audience creatives, attribution, and more to get you your campaign objective. Right, so if you have a target CPA or a ROAS target, it will do that for you without you needing to really do anything. Okay, so you can have your Performance Max set up, and you can also upload your Google Merchant Center so that your ads will show up just like something like Gymshark, where you can see right here they have all of their shopping ads right here, plus they have a search campaign also right here, and these are showing up across all types of different keywords. So if I search for gym shorts, for example, boom, Gymshark's right there with Lululemon, Temu as well. If I scroll down, Gymshark is ranking there organically, but they also are likely to have a search campaign somewhere if I was to keep going right there. But you can see that's the type of thing that Performance Max does. It shows up for your products in the shopping feed, as well as on the search campaign for all of your different product sets and everything like that. Super automated and gets you the best ROAS possible. So how do we go about actually setting this up? Pretty simple when it comes to the actually setting this up. So what we are going to go into right here is we're going to go to the asset groups right here. So when you create your Performance Max campaign, what it's going to ask you to do is to go ahead and set up an actual ad. And the way that you do it and why it's so stupid simple is you're going to have your Merchant Center account, which is connected to your product feed. So you want to make sure that that's set up, connect that to your Google Ad account. And then you're going to create one ad that looks just like this. You're going to have 15 headlines that you put in with your website URL. You're going to have 5 long headlines. You're going to have 5 descriptions, and then you're going to have 20 images. And so you literally just populate in no brain cells at all required. Just throw in 15 headlines and descriptions. They're just relevant to your business in some way. And if you don't want to do that yourself, Google will actually take your website URL and use AI to go ahead and create the headlines to populate all of these things. So you literally don't need to do anything except upload some images, and then it will output all of those different things. And boom, you now have a fully functional ad that's going to run across YouTube, Gmail, search, display, and discover. And you can see what all those things look like there. So that's how you actually set up the asset groups. Now, when it comes to the actual targeting, what we typically do is you're going to create your first asset group, and that's where you're going to target your cold audiences right here. So if we go into the signals right here, this is where we're doing the actual targeting. And again, not a whole lot of input, the AI is going to figure a lot of these things out and where to optimize to get the best results. So in the search terms theme, you're going to add in a bunch of keywords and things that people are searching for related to your product. So just throw in a bunch of different things that are relevant for your business. Under the audience signals right here, you're going to go to interest and details and then just search for a bunch of different things that are relevant to your business. Google's probably going to suggest some. So just add in a bunch of different interests, affinities, and in-market people that are looking for products similar to yours. Add all those into the signals. Boom. That is your first asset group that you're going to go ahead and create, and you're good to run that, and that's going to generate a great return. Another one that you want to create, so go right here to asset groups. You can create a new asset group. You can also just duplicate this asset group, which is more preferred. So if you create that first asset group, duplicate this asset group, and then in the second one, do no signals. Okay, literally like broad targeting on Facebook, no signals. Just tell Google, I want purchases, I want conversion value, and Google will go out and use its AI and find you the most conversions. And honestly, this is surprisingly the asset group that we find performs the best usually, other than retargeting, just because it has so much freedom for Google to go out and find your customers using all the data that it has and the maximum degree of AI. So you don't really need to do too much. So another asset group with no signals, no targeting, and then another one, which is your retargeting, which has signals related to your data. So this would be your branded terms. So your brand terms, including your brand name and your websites, and then the data that you have from Google Analytics, which would be your website visitors, your past purchasers, your email list, things like that. Go ahead and add all of that data into here, and that's your warm asset group. And just like that, you have 3 asset groups using our best practices that we found that performs best. You have all of your ads within here, and you're ready to go. Turn this on and watch you print money. Literally, it's generating millions of dollars across our brands because it's super simple. It uses AI, and we're not trying to get too fancy. We're leveraging the AI and giving it as much freedom as possible, using our business to go out and find us customers. Now, if you're wondering about segmentation and optimizing this campaign, I would recommend creating a different Performance Max campaign for each of your different product categories. So if you have a product category that's very different from another, you obviously want to make sure that the headlines and the search terms and everything that you're promoting are matched up more specifically with that actual product set. So do the same thing, but for each of your different product sets, you can create a new Performance Max that's further optimized exactly for that particular product with the right landing page, with the right assets and creatives and everything like that. And then optimizing it further, all that you can do is go into here, go view details for whichever one of these. Go ahead and look through and see, which of these headlines, which of these images are actually performing good, best, which are performing low, right? So if I see some of these are performing low, how can I swap those out to make better headlines that are actually going to perform? And that's an easy way to optimize. Another way is to go to insights right here, and that's going to give you a ton of data around who your audience is that's actually getting the best results, how to target them better, what types of keywords are actually working, what competitors are also bidding on your search terms, and everything like that. A ton of data in here to digest. Other than that, you can also go to your audience keywords and content right here, and you can go and optimize based on location. So certain countries or states, you can optimize further to target specific countries if you're targeting national. And then you can also optimize for your ad schedule, and you can see some other insights over here on the left. But that's pretty much everything on how we're using PMax to generate us millions of dollars across our brands on virtual autopilot using AI. So recommend you use this strategy and let me know the results that you get. So as always, if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments. Give this video a like as well if you appreciate it. It helps me produce more content and reach more people. And also, if you're interested in this type of content, I know you're going to love this next video right here.